Hey kids, welcome to the fun noun quiz. Let's learn about something super important in English grammar. Are you ready? Let's play. So, what is a noun? A noun is a name. It can be the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. A noun can be a person, like a doctor, a girl, or a boy. And guess what? If we know their names, like Dr. Manoj, Meena, or Albert, those are nouns too. We call them specific names. A noun can also be a place, like a park, a beach, or your school. Nouns are also things like a book you read, a sunflower in the garden, or even a car on the road. And don't forget the animals, like a dog, a lion, or a bird flying high in the sky. So next time you see a person, place, animal, or thing, say out loud, that's a noun. Okay, my little smarties, let's test your noun power. Identify the noun in these sentences. The sun is shining. The answer is sun. It's a thing, a big, bright, hot, shiny noun in the sky. He drinks milk every day. The answer is milk. Milk is a thing you drink. Yummy. The bird is flying. The answer is bird. Bird is an animal and a noun. Neha drew a house. The answer is Neha as well as house. Neha is a person and house is a place. My sister made a cake. Both sister and cake are nouns. Sister is a person and cake is a thing. Both are nouns. We sat on a chair. What's the noun here? The noun is chair. Great job. Chair is a thing we sit on. And things are nouns. Sarah is eating an apple. This has two nouns. Can you find both? The nouns in this sentence are Sarah and apple. Sarah is a name. That's a noun for a person. And apple is something you can eat, a thing. That's a noun too. Double high five. You spotted two nouns, Sarah and apple. You're doing amazing. The school is big. Let's spot the noun. The noun is school. School is a place where we learn and have fun. Places are nouns. Amazing! You did it again. Keep going. Let's meet the proper nouns. Proper nouns always start with capital letters and talk about specific names like Ria, Bruno, or Happy Valley School. Now let's go find those proper nouns. Here's the first one. My friend lives in London. What's the specific name here? And the answer is London. London is the name of a city, and city names are proper nouns. We are going to Agra next week. Can you spot the proper noun? It's Agra, a real city in India. My brother's name is Aryan. Do you see a name that's special? It's Aryan, a boy's name. And all the names of people are proper nouns. We had lunch at Domino's. What's the specific name here? It's Domino's. That's the name of a restaurant, a proper noun. Tina traveled to New York City. Ooh, this one has two proper nouns. Can you spot them? Tina and New York City are both proper nouns. Tina is a girl's name, and New York City is the name of a place. Both are proper nouns. High five! You just rocked the proper noun challenge. Remember, proper nouns name specific people, places, or things, and they always start with a capital letter. Now we learn about common nouns, plain and simple names like boy, zoo, cat, bag. They don't name something specific, so they are called common nouns. So, my noun ninjas, are you ready to go on a common noun hunt? Let's find the words that are general names for people, places, animals, or things. Find the noun in these sentences. Ravi has a dog. Okay, Ravi is a name, but what's the common noun here? It's dog. It could be any dog, not a special name. So, it's a common noun. Great start. The car is fast. What's the common noun in this sentence? You got it. It's car. It is not telling us a specific name of a car. So it's common noun. She is wearing a red skirt. Find the common noun here. The common noun is skirt. A general name for a piece of clothing, that's a common noun. The baby is crying. You're right. The common noun is baby. Baby is a word for a little child. It's a common noun. You are doing great. We sat on the sofa. The common noun is sofa. Where did we sit? On a sofa. That's a type of furniture, not a specific name. It's wrap-up time. You are now officially a common noun champion. Remember, a common noun is a general name like dog, car, baby, or sofa. You don't need to start them with capital letters unless you use them to start a sentence. So my friends, well done. You totally nailed the noun game. Now you know how to spot people, places, things, animals, and even tell the difference between proper and common nouns. Give yourself a big pat on your back. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, every name is a noun, just like yours. Bye-bye.